Magandang gabi mga kalingap. Shoutout po. Nandito tayo sa bahay ni German po. Ito ba? Hey.
Hi. Good evening. How are you?
Oh my God, 15 years.
The reason why he did not have the pension through the military of Germany because he did not ask permission to live.
Siya ay si Joey the Great, hindi ka pagpapalit, handang tumulong at walang iniinit. Sa bawat sulok ng Northern Samar, may kamay na handang umalalay. Hindi hadlang ang pagod at hirap, basta't may pusong handang maglingap. Laging nagkakaisa, laging nagtutulungan para mapasaya kahit anong hirap. Handang maglingkod sa kapwa ng winilingap, pagkasa'y hatid sa bawat nangangarap. Sa bawat barangay kami maghahanap ng pamilyang nais na matulungan. Joey the Great at kanyang kasama, mababait na puso, handang magbigay saya.
Magandang gabi mga kalingap. Shoutout po. So, nandito kami ang sama ko sila. Say hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Hi,
So,
good evening,
nandito sa likod si Nelson. Nandito naman sila. So, nandito tayo sa bahay ni German po. Ito ba? Hey. Wala dito si nanay. Ba't siya saan punta? Ha? Nagsobra kayo? Ayan. Ante, I introduce to you. And may aso bagong panganak. Bagong panganak siya. So, yun na po yung septic tank.
Napakahirap talaga.
Dahil na po yun. Oh, grabe, puro bato oh. Ang hirap po ng hukay namin kanina. So, nandito. I'm English speaking from Australia. Yeah, I would like to introduce to Uba.
Oba, where is Oba?
He's in bed already.
Already on sleep?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oba is wake up and...
Huy! Ta! Nagaw mo.
Hindi po nakagad yung aso. Hindi. Ata. Come outside. Saman.
Saan galing ate?
Doon sa kabila.
Ah. Ilagay mo yung kalanson, iwan mo. So, iwan natin tong kalan dito para sa pagluto ng mga ulam dito. Kawawa naman ating kalan, bawat pabahay nandun siya napupunta.
Malaking gamit niya.
Oo.
Malaking gamit niya kaysa magpanggatong-panggatong.
Yan, salamat kay Ate Nelly. Siya yung bumili ng kalan natin. Oh, bawat nagpabahay tayo sa Ormoc.
Dali.
Kasama din sa Ormoc yan.
Walang problema. Lagi
Sa Davao.
Sana pa naman.
Sa Marito. Okay lang. Okay lang. Oh.
Oh, Oba, come here, Oba. And can I talk to you later, Oba?
Later ba?
Her auntie from Australia.
And later, can I talk to you?
Yeah, that is it. Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good. Have a seat, please. Have a seat there.
Okay. Ito lang. Basta niyo mag-English.
Don't fall over, okay?
Okay.
Ate, can you pass me some toalya para lisensya? Kasi binibidyo ni Joey, baka tayo mapagalitan.
Okay, Oba.
Yeah. Okay.
So put it down.
That's better.
Okay.
Better.
Okay, how are you, my dear?
Oh. That's fine.
You're fine? What's the matter? You got sore knee? Yeah, your knee. What's wrong with your knees? Is it sore? Painful?
Yeah.
What happened?
Falling down.
Oh, you have a fall. When was that? When was that? When did you have a fall?
I think 3 years ago.
20 years ago.
2 years. 2 years.
2 years ago. So what happened? Is it any thing that you do that you fell and then you haven't recovered from that fall?
Hindi kaya tinulak naman ni Ate Gloria?
Ha?
Hindi kaya tinulak.
Grabe.
So what happened?
Natumba siya talaga.
Oh.
I was there in
Tumama yan sa simento dito, oh. May piklat.
So how did you feel? Sideways, backward, forward, or that way? That way? Towards your shoulder? So you fall sideways. And you hurt your shoulder and your leg.
so
Yeah.
a little bit like that.
Falling
Okay.
down.
You fell
The
sideways.
London Bridge
Is po.
is falling down. London Bridge is falling.
Parang sinabi ko na rin yung kagabi.
Have you been to the doctor to check if you have any fractured or any injury? No? You have not been to the doctor and have check-up? X-ray? No X-ray? Oh, how would you know then if you have a fractured? How is it gonna get better if you don't have a check-up? You gotta have a check-up to make sure that your knee or your shoulder is not fractured. Well, maybe that's why you cannot walk, because it was not healed properly. When you have a fall, automatically you go to the doctor and have an X-ray.
Because I have no money, Auntie.
Oh,
Yeah.
but
Because Oba is very poor.
isn't
Ano
it
ito? Paglulutuan bukas?
Oh, gagawin natin bukas yan, te.
the government is giving you a pension?
No, government is no more giving a pension.
So you don't have a pension from Germany?
No. Because Oba is a wool. Yeah. A wool in the
Is even
hindi, a wool in army.
have higher pension.
Oh, German army.
in the
Absent without leave.
military.
Awol.
If you are military, you should have a high pension.
Yeah, but he did not
Finish the contract.
Yeah.
niya itinuloy ang pagsunod.
No, Ate Gloria, don't speak Tagalog because you
That's what
speak
I said.
English
You did
also.
not finish your contract. How long did you
Tatal ka na niya, kaya may nakabing
serve
zero.
in the army? How many years?
About 15 years.
Oh my God, 15 years.
15 years.
Wow.
So, how long to be in the army in Germany to have that medical access for your needs? I thought automatically once you're
Oh,
ex-military,
I thought also.
I beg your pardon?
I thought the same way.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay.
as I came into the doctor,
Mm-hmm.
goodbye.
Oh.
Goodbye. Yun lang naintindihan natin.
So,
Yun lang.
you did not resign to the military properly.
Sa ating
You didn't resign.
Di ba air supply yun?
Just left without authorization. Kaya pala.
I don't speak Tagalog.
Okay.
English
He
also.
was telling me the reason why he did not have the pension through the military of Germany because he did not ask permission to leave. He just come to the Philippines without proper authorization. And that is your fault, my dear.
He's not continuing the soldier.
He didn't also ask a proper authorization that he was leaving. See, if you ask permission through the government that you actually leaving, they will give you the authority.
No, the boss of him was telling him, if you want to be continue your
Service?
as a soldier
Yes,
for
yes.
servicing, then you will have a pension. But the problem is he did not
He
finish.
did not
He
finish.
come to the Philippines to me in
Kasal.
He marry me.
Hi, Mary.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow. Ganda ng hair ni Ate Gloria.
Love is blind.
Congrats.
But
Stop it.
you can still be married to her, you still be in the army, and then you should have your benefits then. You can have it both if you wanted to, but you just in a hurry. You didn't think about it thoroughly. You should have make sure that your security is good. That way you both have a benefit because she's also entitled because you're married to her. So you should have a pension, both of you. Because, because not only that you're military, your wife has also entitlement. Because my son is a military in Australia. He's an Australian army. And now he's been there 20 odd years, and then he studied paramedic in the army. He works in the army as a paramedic for 2 years, and then after that he left. He didn't completely leave. He's still a reserve.
Okay. Okay, wait. Your English is translate in Tagalog. Come in. Translate in Tagalog. Hey, I want to introduce. Wait. Hindi, si Oba pa makilala mo. Okay, doon. I would like to introduce Oba. I'm here. From what country? What country is here? What country? What country?
You did not ask permission properly to the German military company to actually say, I wish to live in Germany. However, I will not resign as a military. I will be still reserved. Because if you are still reserved, you still have entitlement. Because if ever there is a war, you're still able to participate. You're still an army. Because you didn't completely resign. You just not full-time. Just a reserve. You know what I mean? Reserve that if there's no other military anymore that they can get from the other military, you're the 1st battalion or 2nd battalion, you're still able to take you put to the war. And what is your position in the army? You're a gunner, you're a sergeant, you're whatever. Pardon? You're a sergeant. See, if you're a sergeant, you have a power.
Nagtuturo siya.
That's what I mean. You have a power. You are one of the leaders.
He's teaching his people to how to shoot.
Yeah.
How to shoot.
Yeah. That's what.
That,
because he was a sergeant. He's got the authority. He's got.
Kinakain ba yun, Sergeant?
But if you has done the proper way of living, you should have entitled for your pension. And both of you should be able.
Naintindihan ko rin yung pension.
For that long service in the military, you are entitled to it. And the benefit is humongous.
But the problem is, what he told me before is, I stopped as a soldier because I'm going to the Philippines. But the highest told
he
him,
declined. He didn't decline. So what happened is you asked permission and he declined the application for you to leave. So what you should have done, but it's too late now, however.
It's too late.
But what you should have done before, you should have said, okay, I'm just going back to the Philippines to marry my darling, and then I shall return.
MacArthur.
You will bring her wherever you go. That way, you still entitlement. In both of you should have the benefit. You poor thing. Bad choice, but the thing is, that's what happened. You learn from it.
Yeah, but there is the problem. Like he told me, I want to go to the Philippines. I want to marry my sweetheart.
Yes.
But he said his highest boss is telling him, I gave you a work. If you finish this work, then you will have your pension.
Whoa.
But he
It
said
didn't
no.
finish. call it, a contract to your boss that if you finish that particular project, then you would have rewarded to continue your service in the army, and then you have the, oh my goodness.
Yeah, but the problem is to stop it completely.
Yeah, well, because the application of leaving, it wasn't accepted properly. It wasn't signed. You didn't sign to say,
No, he
oh,
did not
see, that's
sign.
what happened.
That's
So
why.
it's not formal. So when you resign, you actually have a resignation, and your boss have a resignation. You have a signature that you will return after you marry your sweetheart. But you
Stop
didn't.
it completely. Stop it completely.
Because heart is stronger than head.
Oh.
That's what happened.
Naintindihan ko yan.
He stop it completely, so that's why.
Heart
he
is
has
stronger
no
than
pension.
head daw.
At that time,
No pension.
heart is bigger than hair. But sometimes you gotta balance it
Balance.
out. But love is love. What can you do?
No, love is blind. Yeah.
Love is love is miracle.
Yeah. Ew,
Love
no.
is powerful.
No, it's possible. No problem. It's a miracle.
Guys,
It's God saver.
I tell you what, I know love is blind, but sometimes you have to open your eyes, because in the long run, you both will suffer.
Love is nakakamatay.
Financially,
Oh.
emotionally, because you cannot just
Love is
live on love.
Correct.
Love is hard.
You gotta have little
Love
bit of
hurts.
both, little bit of love,
Okay.
little bit of
Oba, I want a message to you. What do you want message? No.
Ay, atinin pa
Atin pa here.
Atin pa.
Okay. A simple message to Oba.
I believe that you're getting your heart fixed. How do you feel about it? No, you happy?
No.
You're not happy. You should be, because they're fixing your house.
Aso nagjaman siya. Aso, yeah. Kailangan
So
maging
you
masaya ka
are
dahil
happy
naayos
about
yung
it?
bahay mo. Naman
Okay.
niya, sabi naman
Okay.
niya, oh,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
Ante, pakitanong ako anong gusto niyang dalhin bukas kasi may mga request siya.
Okay. My nephew has asking me if it's anything that you need for
Tomorrow.
you, whatever you need, because he will bring it for you tomorrow.
I thought that he's telling you already, I like Coke. Oh, you told him,
Yeah,
Ah,
biscuit
you want Coke?
Biscuit.
And what
and
else? Biscuit?
milk.
milk, bear brand, diaper. Wala siyang diaper.
Kakampay siya.
Ha?
What is
Malapad
it?
yan. Malapad yan. Tutugin doon na.
What is
Wala
it?
sa imli.
Ah,
Diapers.
this it's not a diaper. Diaper is a baby. They call it
Adult.
Adult diaper.
Adult.
Ano size? Medium?
Medium.
Okay.
Extra large.
Are you using a pull up or you using?
No, push up lang. Push up also.
I am a nurse, so don't worry.
Ayan.
Ah, you're a nurse?
Oh my God.
Ah.
No, it's not a pull up.
It's not a
Pull up
pull-up.
is like an.
Yung ano lang, i-short lang yung pull up.
I have worked in the as
Nurse pala siya,
assistant
nurse.
nurse in Australia for 21.5 years.
Oh my God.
So don't be afraid.
Really?
I am so professional about it.
Really, auntie?
No, don't be afraid.
If anything that you're willing to share that you're afraid or concerned, any concern into your regards to your health. If you let me know, I will be able to give you an advice. Okay?
Okay.
So let me know while I'm here. I will be here for a couple of days, and then I'm going to Davao, but I shall come back.
Oh.
Makaroon nga talaga kanina.
Davao is Makato, right?
Oh.
No, Cebu Mactan. Mas-
Leyte.
Leyte. Oh, Leyte. Sorry.
Wala kang pag-aaral.
I'm not perfect.
I'm going to Davao for
Nagutil na kami doon yan eh.
7
Oh, really?
days or whatever.
Sa
See what
MacArthur.
happens. See what
Nagutil
happens.
kami doon sila.
But I have so much invitation. I've
Ano?
invited all over in Philippines, so I can only do so much.
So, Oba, I will back tomorrow. I bring you biscuit
Sweet.
and
Anong
adult milk,
I will adult diaper.
adult diaper, and Bear Brand for adult. Okay?
Guys,
Bye-bye. Cola.
Pads daw, hindi diaper, pads.
Pads. Sorry naman.
Your pads is
you need to pull up pads or anything that is
Ate Nimpa, I can message to you.
Namumuli si Ate Nimpa.
Ate Nimpa naman pa-English na doon.
Bear Brand, yes. We got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Bear Brand milk, and then a biscuit, a Coke, and a pull-up Snickers.
And the most important, fried chicken.
You like fried chicken?
Yeah.
So what else your favorite food in the Philippines? Do you eat Filipino food at all?
Like this.
I like hito.
Here.
Yeah.
Care because I care for you.
Oh.
Siya naman nag-English sa Ate Nimpa. I don't care daw.
So let's
go.
Okay, let's go.
Not doing anything.
Yeah.
I'll come
Because
back with them.
let's go. I go to Katarman because Kik is coming.
It's too dark now.
Yeah. It's so dark, handsome.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Good evening, Oba. I will back tomorrow. Okay. Pakilala ka tayo, Rosa.
My name? Yeah. What time? What time?
Morning, 9:30 a.m.
9:30 a.m.
Tomorrow.
9:30 Filipino time.
No, Philippine Standard Time.
Rosa. And your name is Ova.
Rosa's wife is German or
No,
Italian?
My husband is born in Egypt but Italian.
Egyptian.
Egypt.
But born in
The blood is Italian, the family is Italian, but the family, the great grandfather of my husband is one of the engineer in the Suez Canal in
Egypt.
Cairo. You know the very famous canal in Egypt.
Kanal, di ba sa ano yun? Matatagpuan? Sa Makati? Okay.
Cairo is.
Sige na. Sige.
Okay, I shall see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Okay.
You too.
Pleasant dreams, okay? Be good.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ayan, mga kalingap, napalaban tayo ng Inglesan ngayon. Nakakuha lang katapat siya ba? Hindi kami nahirapan mag-interview. So, salamat. At, Ate Nimpa, what did you say your English for Oba? Ano masabi mo nakita? Hindi, ano masabi mo nakita mo sa personal sa Oba? Dati sa vlog lang namin.
Handsome.
It's so handsome. So, ayan, thank you so much po Ate Alma at lahat po na nagbigay ng pagmamahal sa pabahay. Sana po supportahan po ninyo kasi nasimula na po kanina yung pabahay. Actually, kanina lang tayo nag-final talaga, nakapaghukay na ng si Piktang. Salamat po at God bless po sa atin lahat sa inyong patuloy na suporta. Maraming salamat, no? At patuloy niyo po kami suportahan para tapos po kagad ang ating pabahay. Salamat and God bless. Nandiyan sa gilid po ng ating screen, ang ating partners, family sponsor. Kay Kuya Balatid na Kalinga Prab. Maraming salamat. Ang Dagriti Mareno, shout out. Binaka Limix TV, Edna Condor, ating deputy, Nation TV official, support po natin, Rina TV official, siyempre si Yansky TV. Bye-bye po, God bless, hanggang sa muli. Good evening and good night everyone. Bye-bye, love you all.